Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have one Harmony update and of course I will talk about the short term, the mid-term price prediction, see some technical analysis, and of course it would be much appreciated if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and of course share. You can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more and more things. Right now guys, let's go to analyze a bit the support levels, the resistance levels, as well as see the MACD in the 4-hour frame, and I will show you something I haven't seen yet in most videos. Let's see now a bit the support levels. Right now we'll zoom in a bit so you can see more clearly. 0.09 to 0.1 is the one level, support level, that we want to hold for the short term, and of course our next major lower support levels are 0.06 to 7 and 0.05, around there guys, of course. And the ones that we should focus for the resistance levels are mainly the 0.16 cents and of course this one guys, the 0.14 or 14 cents. Okay, so we want to focus on these resistance lines because I will talk about why in the price analysis. Right now that are major support and resistance levels, and of course right now we want to see higher lows and higher highs for Harmony One. You can see here the consolidation back from 29th March till now guys, almost 1 month, and we will discuss furthermore the price action. A very healthy consolidation because we want to let EMAs touch the price. Let's see now a bit the MACD in the 4-hour frame. You can see here guys that it has having lower highs and lower lows, always bouncing up and down, going above the signal line here, but nothing important, just for the very short term if you want to take profits or not. We will discuss that on the relative strength index and the commodity channel index strategy. Right now what we want to see is in the 4-hour frame the MACD, the blue line, gaining some further distance from the signal line and of course forming a bullish scenario right here. So the volume is still low guys, as you can see, high volume here, high red volume, high sell pressure for the Harmony One, and of course we had the buying pressure here going upwards almost at this support level, minus 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We are going now to the RSI and the commodity channel index for our Harmony One. Let's zoom in a bit and of course let's discuss a bit the buying strategy that you need to have with the RSI and the commodity channel index guys. If you are new to the channel, then I have to tell this again because many new viewers coming, many new beginners want to invest, and these information are really important guys. So when we approach the 30 level for the RSI or we go down from the 30 level, we want to invest for the short term, even in a bearish market, especially in a bearish market, because that's where we are seeing these levels. Because right now guys, when the RSI approach goes beyond the 30 level, this is what we call an oversold situation. Therefore, this is a buying opportunity for the very short term. I will give you some examples here. For example, you could take profits because you can see here back on 18th April, we went upwards, we hit the bottom, and then you want to have a profit target at around 10 to 15% or 5 to 10%. It is up to you. Let's see another example right here guys, right here, another example. Back on 7 April, you can see the RSI was below 30, we went upwards. And of course the commodity channel index guys, same happens here. When the commodity channel is below the minus 100, we usually have a buying opportunity for the very short term, and the more below it is, the better the buying opportunity. Okay, so right now when we are seeing the commodity channel index below minus 100 for the next 1 to 2 days, you can take profits as well. So this is very good information if you are starting now your trading experience and you want to search the commodity channel index and the RSI. Always have in mind about this, then you can of course control your buying and selling opportunities. The SSL channel right now tells us not to buy for the 4-hour frame, but I trust it more in the daily frame, where we will go there along with our MACD. Let's see what MACD has done from this point here back on 1st April, guys. From this point we had a consolidation going on and on and on. So right now we saw this huge distance between this signal line and the MACD, and therefore we had a risk, and of course we went down here, crossing the signal line and going even further down. What we want to see for Harmony One is going upwards. I will tell you exactly afterwards what I'm telling about. Right now we are seeing we are going downwards in the down of the Bollinger Bands. Let me remove the drawings here so you can see it more clearly. When we approach the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, we usually have a buying opportunity. However, the Harmony One is going down. The whole market is a little bit unstable due to the Bitcoin's price action, of course, and we need to stay calm and see what Bitcoin will do, if it will correct more. Of course, we are still in a bull run. I'm talking about the short term. When we are having this extending, these candles extending from the top of the Bollinger Bands, we are having a high risk. Therefore, we are going inside the Bollinger Bands again. What we want to see for the Bollinger Bands is the squeeze points. When the top Bollinger Band is close to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, then we want to buy here. Then it is a good buying opportunity for the mid-long term, especially these close Bollinger Bands here. We expect the volatility to grow into a market where we have a good technology and, of course, where we are seeing such a low volatility. You can see here, the higher the volatility, the higher the risk, and therefore we went inside the Bollinger Bands again, consolidating. Now we are on the bottom, the rock bottom of the Bollinger Bands. When we extend below, we're having a buying opportunity as well, and we go upwards again. One against Bitcoin now, guys, in the 4-hour frame. Let's see, we had this cross here and we couldn't recover from the 50-day MA going above the 20 and the 30-day MA. As you can see here, what we want to see now for one against Bitcoin is the 50-day MA going below the 20 and the 30-day EMA as well. And we have this consolidation for quite some time going on now for Harmony. We are looking this support level 0.50168 and 0.50119. If you are new investor, new trader, you want to know that we are having these price labels because we divide Harmony's price to Bitcoin's price. I'm on Harmony against Bitcoin on the trading view. So right now, guys, we are seeing the 50-day EMA playing almost the resistance role, as you can see here, and of course there it is playing the resistance role. We need to see the 50-day EMA becoming for quite some time the support. And of course, right afterwards, we might see the EMA going below the 20 and the 30-day EMA. Right now, the resistance level I'm looking at are those two for the Harmony against Bitcoin, 0.50256 and 0.50283. That's what I want. I want for Harmony One to bounce between those Fibonacci retracement, then going up, bouncing between maybe this. Let's see now. One against Bitcoin in the daily frame, and first of all, our MACD. It is the same, guys, as the USDT you saw before, and we want to go upwards. And of course, right now, this is looking a little bit, I don't know, I'm a little bit worried about this, but I'm not worried in the after that I will show you. But right now, I'm a little bit worried for the short term because the 20-day MA is going beyond the 30-day MA. I don't want to see that, guys. And of course, I don't want to see the 50-day MA going above the 20 and the 30-day MA for the Harmony against Bitcoin in the daily frame. And of course, guys, always remember, when we are having much distance between the 20-day MA and the price, guys, of course, we are having so high risk. And when you see that, we usually have a risk because we want to let the 20-day, 30 and 50-day MA catch up with the price, reach the price, and of course this is a very healthy consolidation. Usually in the daily frame we are seeing that, we sometimes see it in the 4-hour frame, but usually I check it in the daily frame. I personally found it more useful, but you can always try at your home, or you can have any experience in this so you can decide better for yourself, guys. Right now we will jump to 1 against USDT in the 4-hourly frame, and you can see here, guys, the one I was talking about in the Bitcoin chart as well. After this bearish moment where the 50-day EMA went above the 20 and the 30-day EMA, we couldn't recover for Harmony, and we went all the way down to this level, and now we are looking for these support levels, as well as if we break those two important levels for me, then we have a clear buying opportunity. If we break above those two levels, we have a clear buying opportunity. And of course, you want to invest less on 14 cents and more on 15 to 16 cents. Of course, if we break above, then it is a clear buying opportunity. And why I'm saying it is clear buying opportunity? Because you minimize the risk. That's all I'm saying. We might have a buying opportunity beyond, okay, and we might see Harmony One regaining some strength soon. But of course, you minimize the risk, and of course you are taking less profits, but it is more important to minimize the risk than taking less profits, because that way you will have like 8 out of 10 times profits, okay? Because it is very, very important to always be disciplined and to have patience in the cryptocurrency market. And of course, it is better to have a buying and an exit strategy and minimizing the risk than going in FOMO in one just price. Never do that, guys. And of course, never, in my opinion, sell your position if you've bought at this top, for example, and we are here. Never sell, because until you sell, you haven't lost anything. Always remember that, guys. You haven't lost anything. Only if you sell, you will lose. Not if you hold. Even if you've bought here, guys, better days are coming. And let me show you something that I haven't seen. This is the Harmony One against Binance Coin. I want to show you the weekly frame and how on the bottom we are for Harmony against Binance Coin. I won't be surprised if we are about to see a turning point for Harmony One, especially for the mid long term, because look at how low we are in the Harmony One against Binance Coin. And of course, guys, okay, it seems like Binance Coin moves downwards as well, but upwards, sorry guys, against one. But I think that we are approaching a bottom here where we might see a turnaround for Harmony. And of course, I'm talking about the mid-term because it is safer to assume that in the mid-term we will have this. So therefore, for Harmony One, this is great news, guys. For in the weekly frame, look at this, on August 2020, we had this bottom April 2020 and so on December 2020, and here we reached the bottom where we saw this huge pump up for Harmony. And now we are about to reach a bottom. We are testing this support level, and maybe we test even lower if we go down. And of course, for the mid long term, guys, it is great to invest, in my opinion, right now. So that's something that most people don't discuss about, is seeing the altcoins against other altcoins. It is very, very important on charts to always check that, guys. It is very, very important. Trust me for this. And of course, let's go back to the price analysis now to discuss some things about the short term and of course the mid-term. For me, what I would do if I were you, I would put some money here and more money here for the resistance levels. And for the support levels, if we had to go further down, testing maybe the 0.06 to 7 again, or maybe testing again this support level 0.09, guys, what I would do, I would put more money as we go down to the support levels. As we dip down, I would just put more and more money. Okay, so for the mid long term, I think we are going to see a turnaround point in the one against BNB. If we have to go on the daily frame as well, you can look, guys, on the daily frame, the 50-day EMA crossed here. We had the bearish cross for Harmony One against Binance Coin, but for the mid long term, look at where we are. We are standing in a pretty good bottom scenario where we want to see the Harmony One regaining some strength, of course, for the mid-long term. So that's the key level to me. If you want to hold Harmony, we are about to experience, I don't know how far we will go, but I think that it is a good scenario here for the mid-long term. But for the short term, guys, I would suggest you to wait. If you are a new investor, of course, and you want to hold, you could buy here. But if you are a new investor and you want to short trade, or you panic when you are seeing big corrections, then I would suggest you to wait till we see some furthermore price action for Harmony One against Tether US. And of course, guys, always remember, as we go down lower, of course you want to buy more, okay? And if we break these resistance levels, the skill levels that we want to have as a target, breaking above those levels, then of course for me they are pretty good to buy for the short term. Of course, now we have to wait. The whole market is a bit unstable, and of course Bitcoin can correct some more. I've made some videos about Bitcoin and the possible correction furthermore, but of course we need to be patient, and always remember, guys, we are seeing these corrections in the cryptocurrency market every day. What is most important is to keep your patience, to keep your calm, and always remember, never sell your position, and always remember that we are still in a bull run. So many of us are laughing right now because we are having some buying opportunities, and if you are experienced, you should see that we are having some buying opportunities for many altcoins. If you want to hodl, if you want to look for the short term, I suggest you to wait, and maybe we are reaching, especially in the Harmony One against Binance Coin. Look at this, guys, we are reaching a bottom level, and of course if you've bought at the top or here, better days, guys, are coming for sure. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic day wherever you are, and I hope you stay strong and calm. See you soon with more videos. Bye.